What's up, y'all? It's your boy Plorbia, and today we are here with Soul, and we are playing some Build a Boat for Treasure. We will be competing with each other to see who can make it to the end first.
Oh, I'm on the worst team, yellow. Ugh.
Haha. So I'm going to quickly open up 2 chests, just because I can.
At least I already have some progress. How much do you have on here?
I have some good stuff. Though I did...
That sucks. I don't care.
Oh yeah, we've got to just destroy this. Actually, no, we're just gonna... Yeah, we're just gonna start from scratch. With that boat.
Okay. I don't care. You know, I'm trying to get to the last one right now.
Neat.
My boat sucks, and I barely have any good supplies.
Oh, I've got some decent supplies, but I've also got a lot of supplies.
I don't have a lot at all.
Because I bought a bunch of the red chests.
I've been buying the ones that cost like $135.
Bruh.
What? The legendary chest?
So you've got strong materials, but not enough materials.
Ow, ow. You're destroying my thing so much.
What is?
The invader one.
Oh, the Space Invader one. AKA the arcade one.
I hate that one the most out of them all, to be honest.
In my opinion, it's really cool.
So don't hit me with a baseball. Dude, you hit me with a baseball. I flew when I got back. In the gem one, can it, in the gem, does anything fall in the gem cave?
No. Hey! I'm getting kidnapped! What is this shenanigans?
I'm on castle.
This is the peak of Build-A-Boat. See why so many people love this game?
We had a spaceship earlier, and I tried to get on, and they just sent me back.
No, this dude has a car with a harpoon on it. He drove over to my base, fiddled around for a bit, then yoinked me and dragged me out to sea.
He had a spaceship. I was trying to get on it, and they just started the thing, and the front just pushed me straight out of the map.
Dang. Loki sounds like a you problem.
At the card area, I died. I was so close to finishing. No.
Oh, you'll never make it past the lighthouse section, which is always the final section.
Yeah, I know. I need to make a box, to be honest. I got a prison door. Let's go.
Oh, screw doors. I'm just gonna make a fully closed sphere. Now you may be wondering, but how will you get inside? I do not know. Well, actually, it'll be more of like a diamond.
Yeah, I'm building a new one.
If only ice was more durable. Because it looks really good. But I guess bad looks are a part of practicality. Right there. Oh, so we've got a hacker in here.
Oh, we don't like hackers.
They're funny.
But they also get annoying. Depending on the case.
Diamande.
What?
I've created the Diamande.
Cool. I don't know what that means, but okay.
My Diamande. Okay, so I think that my dumb idea will work.
What is your dumb idea?
You'll see. Oh yeah, and also, let's place that.
Yep, that works.
And then that.
Making like a box so I don't put the last space. You know?
Then let's just hope that this works. Yo, you said that you're on the yellow team? Yo, bro, hop in my speaker. Hop in my trumpet. Yo, what's up, my man?
What's up? Yeah. I mean, I would hop in, but...
Wait. Spike. This is the stupidest idea ever. Oh. Oh. We need to run through here. Oh. Dodge that fish.
You know how I'm gonna make sure I don't come out?
How?
Just putting a lot of wood over my head. It's almost impossible.
Okay, there. When driving, you just need to have patience. Oh, so we are 100% dying in the condiment section if we even make it that far.
Which one?
The condiment section. Last one before Lighthouse. Oh, we lost our motor. Now we're in the baseball area with no motor. But we gotta make something better than this. Because as we all saw, it didn't stay upright like I wanted it to. So, let's see if I can plan that better. This area is just so peaceful, unless you're in one of those glitch flying machines, because those spikes will destroy anything it comes in contact with. So if you fly in, and you hit one of those spikes, your entire build's just gone.
Yeah, I remember doing that.
Haha. Oh, my seat is no longer anchored. but we're still gonna make it far. I say that, then I immediately enter the cannon area, and I get shot in the face with a cannonball. And die.
Yep, I loaded everything. Ready to go. Hey, no, I deleted the balloon.
Yeah, but like, I really want to get a mega build with this thing.
Launch. I don't know what this is, but I know this is gonna survive the fall. That's all I know. If I do make it that far, it will survive the fall.
Okay, so let's do something stupid.
If you have a flying machine, just go over the... Oh, no, you have to go straight in, actually.
Yep. You have to pass through at least one section and to get the gold, or else it'll just kill you when you touch it. And also, if you don't pass through the section gates, you don't get the gold. Oh, man.
I know. I passed it before, it just didn't count, because I was walking, because my thing died.
Ah, they missed. The spike lives.
How far are you?
Starting over again. But I made it all the way to the first of the red. On my first attempt.
My highest on my first try was...
Oh.
Game broke.
My highest...
Highest was the dice area.
Was it the third, second, or... Was it the first, second, or third?
It's the one after red flag.
Ah.
Right after.
For me, my personal furthest on this account is to the lighthouse section.
I mean, I haven't played too much.
Same. I've only played this game like, I don't know, 40 minutes so far on this account.
Me too, to be honest, yeah.
Anyways, we just...
was dragging me in a car!
Yep. That's what happened to me too. Dodge. Don't stop running. If I stop running...
They're coming to your place. They're coming to your place.
Oh, I'm already long gone from my place.
I'm glad. They just started coming straight to your place.
Because they know they control me easily.
No, don't come back for me, please. No, not working. That actually makes me mad when they do that, to be honest.
Okay, we made it through baseball section. We're now in the gemstone section, and our boat's still looking good. Hey, we might even win. If we do, that'd be insane. But no, actually no, we ain't making it through condiments. And even if we do, the chances of us getting through Lighthouse are slim. Oh hey, Soul, I think I see your boat. Maybe. Oh.
I'm not even there.
Yeah, but I think you might have left your boat behind or something. Ooh. We're in the dice area. Ooh. We have one block of the boat left. Ain't no way. And we made it to the condiment section. And died in the condiment section. Well, technically we died. Yep. Died the second I entered it. Well, technically I died right before it, but I still made it in.
What happened?
My body parts went through the gate.
How did you die?
Because my boat broke.
Okay, I'm on the way. I have faith in my boat, because I know I could survive a fall from this. To be honest, my motor's secure with blocks behind it, so I can still move, and nothing can touch it unless they break those blocks, and then I have a lot above my head, just in case something falls, like, comes at my head.
Ooh, these are some strong blocks.
I'm almost at Space Invaders.
Neat. I'm going to continue making my boat better. Okay, so y'all, I'm still building my boat, but it's going along splendidly. But this dude just won't leave me alone. And also, my eyes!
I'm in Jam area, about to go to Red Flag.
Oh yeah, and Titanium, which is this block, is the second strongest block in this game. And wait, no, third strongest. It used to be the strongest, but then Obsidian was added. Then Obsidian was the strongest for a while, until Gold was added, and you get 1 gold block every time you win.
My motor's gone.
Okay, so... Oh yeah, and also we just gotta put 1 wooden block up here. Along with a little flex. Oh, wait! He can no longer move! He can't move it, move it!
Oh shoot, my thing broke. My chair broke. Oh, I can't fall. I'm on top of my building, on the very top.
Take a look at that dude!
Oh, I made it to the place after dice. The pancake area. Did you make it there?
Yep.
Did you die there?
Yep.
Did you die at the end or at the beginning?
Very beginning.
I'm already halfway through. I'm about to be at Lighthouse, but my build is dying. Oh, I made it to Lighthouse. Oh, I'm not making it though.
Yeah, you ain't making it through there.
The only reason I can't make it, you know why? It's because the waterfall. Oh, I died at Lighthouse. Dang it.
Okay, so...
Why
won't it let it rotate?
We'll try it again, to be honest. I know I can do this.
Oh wait, that might be why.
Not for the first area with nothing touching. Right there.
Okay, so now... let's just put that.
Oh, Space Invaders got changed for banjos. Banjo or guitar boys. And then baseball got changed for pyramid. Oh, and then golf got changed for what? Oh, they're all getting changed.
Yeah.
Felt right. The gem one's not here anymore. So, the easiest one. Oh, I'm in the one with tornadoes. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, that one's armed and
The
dangerous.
one you for pancake, it looks like a panda one. Is that bad or good?
I don't know.
Bowling balls. Hey, you hit me.
Okay, there. Now we save this. Finally! It works!
What?
This is what I've been aiming for. No matter how much I flip, my chair will always be facing forward.
Nice.
And it's because I have two of these little weird-looking thingies that no one knows what they do. But I know what they do.
It's like, oh, I'm on a place with like a farm area.
Okay, so maybe this wasn't the best idea. That's not a panda. That's a freaking alien spaceship.
It's a cow. It's a cow. Oh no, it is. It's a cow. Yeah.
I don't
Oh,
see.
I'm on the one after cow is alien.
They're both alien.
Oh, I died. On the alien one. I need like more builds.
Okay, so we can make it through here. Bro, why did you call a violin a guitar?
Couldn't tell yet?
Bruh. Okay, yeah, no, I need to change this boat. I can't move it.
I can't move it.
I like to move it. Yeah, no, I gotta just let it sail normally.
I'm working on a new boat, to be honest.
Whee! I'm feeling G-forces. Oh, hi, tornadoes. How are you? Why are the notes still following me? Please don't steal from me. Oh, yeah. Fly away, my little balloons. I'm sorry, my balloons. I had two balloons in my boat. They both got detached. I was in the tornado area. So I was like, fly away, my balloons, and fly free. And then immediately a tornado swooped them up and destroyed them. Just like, yeah, no nice ending for you. Yoink. Did that green ball just disappear? I mean, I ain't complaining, but what? Purple! Wait. Aw, man, if only it was a red and a blue ball here. Because then I could say, take the amplified and the reversal. Smash those two infinities together to get imaginary mass. Imaginary technique. Hollow. Purple. Okay, this is actually a pretty good build. Oh, that thing just went straight through my boat without any impact. Okay, I have both of my arms still, but I'm bald.
Yeah, I think becoming bald is...
And I'm dead.
Nice. I'm making a pyramid right now. To be honest, I'm just making a pyramid.
You know what? Screw it, I have a dumb idea.
What's your dumb idea?
So there's a little rule with this game. I'm not gonna say it, but y'all will see it, because I don't want him to know. what I am doing, but I will invite him over to my base as I'm about to launch.
Stop making a flying machine, bro.
Oh no, it's not a flying machine. It is a mere game rule.
Hey!
What?
Somebody launched a big fireball at me when I was building.
Haha.
Is that you?
Do you really think I have the capabilities to do that?
Oh, there's a dude with a flying balloon.
Neat. I just got two notifications back to back about two YouTubers streaming. Odd. Anyways, yep, that is at the very limit of the game rule.
I made a pyramid! Yo, I actually made a pyramid!
What if I were to say that I'm taking some slight inspiration from you?
I'm gonna kill you.
And by slight, I mean I'm stealing your entire build.
What do you mean?
I am going to make a pyramid.
You can't do that,
Yes, it may be a small one, but it is a functional one, with my royal throne upon it.
Also, there's no way out. That's the one problem about it.
All of my builds are like that, bro. Who needs a way out, though?
Yeah, you can just break it.
Or you can just go over to where it is, load it, and it'll load with you inside of it.
Yeah, true.
Though my pyramid will be a little more crude.
Cool, I guess.
Oop. I accidentally destroyed my royal throne. There.
Okay, I finished my thing.
I am still not finished with mine. And I will need to go on another expedition for material.
And I'm gonna go. Time to sail.
Oh wait, no. We can
No,
use...
I'm gonna come to you and show you what this is. My build is. You wanna come see it? I'm coming.
Okay. Oh wait, no, I am finished.
Look, you're white base, right?
Yep.
Look at my build. Do you like it? What's up?
Do you wish to see mine?
What's up? Look at my build.
Take a look
Pretty
at
sick.
mine.
Oh.
And the donut just popped out.
Donut.
Yeah, donut just popped out of my build. Like, as you can see, my build fakes its size. So, did you notice that when you were at my base, all you saw was just that little top area? But then once I launched, that spike immediately came out.
Yeah. But what about it?
You can place stuff under the map by just clipping your screen through the ground. And anything as long as it's not past a certain point will just prop back up.
It's my final build, so if I can't make it, you win. If I can, I have to go fish again.
Anyways, we shall just skip past this boring area. Attention, people. We have lost our first block. Okay, so now I get a feeling that we are just going to lose more and more. Oh, that's not very good. They can attack my throne! My royal throne!
Yeah, attack it.
I
You should really put a steering wheel so you can get back steering mode.
Nah. Okay, we are now in the violin area. No. Okay, so... Oh, they're just making a path for
I'm
me.
in the top.
See?
No.
They recognize me as their emperor.
Yo,
They
I'm in red
recognize
flag.
my superiority. I know that what?
Oh, I lost my motor. Shoot.
Haha.
Do you have any holes in your build?
One. And I am now in the tornado area, and it is only a 1 block wide hole. And we made it through the tornado area without a hitch. I think that's the first time we've done that.
Huge hole.
What?
I got a huge hole in mine.
Dang. Okay, we're going through the bowling area? Purple.
I died.
Oh, we managed to skim off that one that got thrown at us. Oh, but that brown ball is doing some good damage. And we're gonna get another one thrown at us soon.
Video today. Hope you guys have a great day.
Purple.
So, bye. Purple.
And-
Subscribe or else.
Or else purple.
No cookies for you.
Oh, that's a big hole. Ah.
Subscribe or I give you no cookies.
But I want cookies. Cookie.
Okay, we're going through the bowling area.
I died.
Oop. That's my chair gone. Oop. That's my boat gone.
Hope you guys have a great day.
And that's me gone.
Subscribe or else. What happened?
And that's me gone. Oh. Epic chest. Yippee. We can finish our boat. Wait, I has dumb idea.
Purple.
So we are getting rid of this little wooden donut. And also these weak blocks up here. To replace them with fresh titanium.
Purple.
Purple. No, you don't got the voice for it. You gotta go purple.
Purple. Purple.
Okay, now we are going to add a little secret to this.
Hey, I'm gonna invite a collaborator. Okay?
I
Just accept the thing.
By the way, I'm still making my video. Okay, there. Now we shall
I'm
do
gonna send you
that.
the link through Discord.
I
Can you pause your vid real quick?
Okay, so now we just need to put this
Wait, pause real quick so you can stop it.
here. And we're gonna pause for this little building. Okay, there. So we have built the reverse pyramid. It's not really a reverse pyramid anymore. But also, we've added a little motor to it. And the motor is too weak. But the motor is also hidden inside of this spike. You can slightly see it poking up there. And we have a little owner seat with a little car seat in here. Actually, you know what? Yeah. I feel as if we'll try more of this another day. See y'all next time.